Once upon a time, on the bank of river Yamuna, there was a big forest, and there was so many animals used to live in the forest along with the birds. There were so many trees also there in the forest. There was a mango tree, and a bird named Chitra used to live on the tree. Chitra's friends, pigeon, parrot, and other birds also used to live on the same tree. Chitra used to sing very nice songs on her very sweet voice. At the end of the day, when all the animals and birds used to get tired, Chitra used to sing songs and used to entertain them with her sweet voice. All animals and birds used to listen and used to be very happy. Chitra had one more good quality, and that is to help others. Once Parrot got injury in his legs, and Chitra helped him with medicines and helped him to get cured. Once Pigeon got fever, and Chitra helped him also with medicines and helped him in getting cured. Whoever used to be in problem or in need, Chitra used to help them selflessly. And that's the reason everyone used to love and respect Chitra. Once there was a deer came into the jungle from the other side of the river. All the animals welcomed him, but the deer did not reply anything to them. And then all animals felt very sad. The parrot told that, how is this animal? We are welcoming him and he is not replying to us at all. The crow also said, I think he is egoistic. That's why he is not replying to us. The bird said, but he is our guest and came from other forest. Let's welcome him again. And she requested Chitra to sing a song to welcome him. Even after that, deer didn't reply anything, and Chitra felt very bad about it. Chitra thought that deer doesn't know how to behave, and she thought, I will teach him how to be friends. The forest was very nice and there was very good fruits and grass over there. The deer used to come every day, used to eat and play, but he never talked to any animal or birds. Chitra also did not talk, but Chitra started feeling good when he used to come. Chitra used to see him playing and eating all the day. One day, suddenly, the peaceful environment of forest got disturbed by the sounds of gun and bullets. All the birds and animals started running and flying away. The crow flew in and came and said that, please run away to the other side of the river. I have seen two hunters came into the jungle. Please run to save our life. By listening to crow, all the birds started flew away. But Chitra saw that the deer was going into the forest. Chitra stopped him and said, oh Dada, please don't go inside the jungle. There are two hunters came and they will kill you. But the deer did not listen and went inside the jungle as usual. Chitra flew away. Ultimately, the hunter saw the deer and fired on him. The deer started running away. The deer started hiding. But somehow one bullet came and injured his leg. The deer fell down in a hole. Because there was a hole, the hunters were not able to see him and they went back. Chitra was sitting the other side of the jungle and was waiting for the deer. She thought, deer doesn't talk to us, so why should we care about him? But then she thought that we all animal and birds should live together and we should help each other. The Chitra flew away to find him. In the night, when Chitra was flying, she saw that the deer was there in a hole and was fainted. Chitra flew away quickly to the river. She took the water from the river and flew away and quickly came to the deer. She gave water to deer to drink and then the deer opened his eyes. He saw that, oh, she is the same bird. She used to talk to me, but I never replied her. Then Chitra came with some grass and says, oh Dada, you must be very hungry. Please eat some grass. The deer was very hungry and he took the grass. Then deer asked, oh Chitra, I have never talked to you, but why you are still helping me? Then Chitra laughed and said, oh dear, we should always help each other. That is the main reason of happiness. If we live our life alone and if we don't speak to everyone, then we will never make any friends. And then when we will become in trouble, no one will come to help us. The deer understood that he was doing a mistake by not speaking to anyone. Chitra said that, oh dear, you must be very tired. Please sleep. And Chitra gave some medicines applied on his legs. The deer said, yes, Chitra, I am very tired. I am going to sleep. And another day, the deer came and speak to everyone, and he became the friends of all. All the animals welcomed him. So, the moral of the story is whenever someone comes to make friendship with us, we should not feel egoistic and we should reply to them. We should talk to them. We should not live a life alone. We should make friends and help each other to live a happy life. Bye bye.